This is a first impression of the 11,000 Sonicare electronic toothbrush that I just got. Unbox it and we'll see what's inside. So you can either open it like this. Okay, we get a little booklet. Cool. The charging base, the toothbrush head, and of course the electric toothbrush. And that a little cardboard. So this is a very, very clean looking toothbrush. I like how it's just simple, one color, and it's a matte tape finish, and the rubberized button, and the charging base. The one thing that you'll notice is that it's a USB charging cable and not a plug. I specifically bought this for this reason because I wanted a USB plug, because I have so many USB ports and everything uses a port nowadays. I figure it's more easy for me than using an actual dedicated plug, and I can just take this off whenever I need to. And here you go. And here's the toothbrush head, nicely wrapped. As you can see, this is the tip, and there will definitely be heads I'll buy separately that should fit this. This is the model of the toothbrush head. I don't think it snaps all the way in, but that's okay. And it has this nice little cover and a standard toothbrush head. So one of the reasons why I got this toothbrush, this Philips Sonicare toothbrush, was to replace this. While it's great, I never use all these functions that it does, right? It has all these functions, that's cool and all, but and while it's nice and cool and looks pretty premium, at least in terms of the appearance, I can't find replacement heads for these. So because I can no longer find these heads, I decided to get something that's a little bit more easy to find. And this is a brand that's very common, Philips Sonicare, where this brand is no longer available. And I went from this base with a charging plug to this base with a charging USB plug, because I just have more USB ports available than plug outlets, and I can just take this on the go easily. And this one had a more of a rubberized grip, which is nice. This one does not. But if you compare these two, this is a little bit smaller, the Sonicare one. The brush head's about the same, or maybe a little bit smaller. But overall, I like the upgrade. Again, this is the first impressions. I haven't used it, but the primary purpose was the brush head availability for replacements and the USB port.